Essential salad, take 2, coming right up on Weekend at the Cottage. Welcome to Weekend at the Cottage. I'm Nick Manojlovic. We received a note from a follower on Instagram. Stephanie wrote us to thank us for posting our easy Asian slaw. She loved it. Her husband didn't. He doesn't like ginger and garlic, but Stephanie's request was, Nick, what about a classic coleslaw? Carol and I are chatting, I'm like, we put a coleslaw on the website, but you know what? We didn't really do it right. I had you pulling out a mandolin and grating cabbage a la minute. Oh, we were doing fancy stuff with carrots. I don't know what I was thinking. We agreed it was time to do an update on this essential recipe. I'm gonna show you how to make an absolutely stellar coleslaw. Stellar coleslaw needs a stellar dressing, so let's start with that dressing. I have the canister to an immersion blender. I'm adding 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, 1/3 of a cup of yogurt, the thicker the better, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 2 tablespoons white vinegar, a tablespoon of sugar, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of celery seed. Normally I use this ingredient for home canning. In this dressing recipe, you're gonna see them floating in the dressing, but they add a really wonderful flavor to the dressing. Last ingredient, 1/3 of a cup of buttermilk. Immersion blender goes in, we're gonna zip it up until it's beautiful and creamy. Next, we add our slaw ingredients to the salad bowl, 1 package of prepared coleslaw into the bowl. I also think green onions are essential in a coleslaw recipe. I have 2 green onions, split them down the middle, roughly chop them, sprinkle the top of the slaw with the green onions, and then just stop for a second. Think about this. How about if you cover that bowl with wrap and also put the dressing in a container? You can take this to somebody's house. They are gonna love you when you show up with such a delicious coleslaw. Let's say you want to continue, you're gonna take some of that dressing, pour it on top, take your utensils, we're gonna toss it up, do a little taste test, and then finish with some black pepper, salt to taste, and you're ready to enjoy. And you will enjoy it with a favorite grilled meat, poultry, fish. I love putting this coleslaw on top of my burger before I stick the bun on top. It really is so versatile and wonderful. Well, hopefully, Stephanie, you and your husband will enjoy it. Same for all of you watching. And if you're looking for other great tips, please head to weekendatthecottage.com. Subscribe to our website when you're there and look for this video and tons more on our dedicated YouTube channel. And then finally, find us on your favorite social media platforms like Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. It is a classic coleslaw. All you need to do is make it, enjoy, and then come on back and hang out again soon. Till next time, take care. Come on.